Benjamin Netanyahu, Israel's prime minister, takes a stand in his corruption trial for the first time. But what are the charges and what does it mean for Israel's political future? Let's break it down. Netanyahu is accused of granting regulatory favors worth $500 million to Bezek Telecom in exchange for favorable media coverage on a news website controlled by Bezek's former chairman, Shaul Elovitch. Charges: bribery, fraud, and breach of trust. Prosecutors allege that Netanyahu and his wife Sarah accepted luxury gifts worth $210,000, including champagne and cigars, from Hollywood producer Arnon Milchan and billionaire James Packer. In return, Netanyahu allegedly aided Milchan's business interests. Charges: fraud and breach of trust. Netanyahu allegedly sought a deal with the owner of Yediot Aharonot, a prominent Israeli newspaper, to secure positive coverage in exchange for legislation that would limit competition from a rival paper. Charges: fraud and breach of trust. Unlikely, unless Netanyahu seeks a plea deal, it could be many more months before the judges rule. Under Israeli law, a prime minister can remain in office while on trial. Even if convicted, Netanyahu could continue serving during the appeals process. Bribery carries a maximum sentence of 10 years, while fraud and breach of trust could mean up to 3 years in prison. The trial has deeply divided Israelis and led to 5 election cycles before Netanyahu's decisive 2022 victory. The October 7, 2023 Hamas attack and subsequent Gaza war temporarily pushed Netanyahu's trial out of the spotlight. However, his government's controversial judicial reforms have rekindled protests, raising concerns about Israel's democratic future. Netanyahu's trial isn't just a legal battle, it's a flashpoint for Israel's political landscape. With no verdict expected soon, this high-stakes saga continues to unfold. Stay with us for updates on this landmark case.